Somewhere there. Hmm? Oh.
Kuya, put your jacket in. It not see them. Subject lost.
Subject lost na siguro.
What's the subject? Subject found. I think I should do my badge for
Tagalin mo. Hindi, tagalin mo yung jacket. Following you kasi ako
because it has a green thing
Ang pajama mo. Unlimited. Parang nito. Ang dami ko na nagreklamo. It's fine. Maybe I can smell it now. Ayun, ito na tayo. Ayun, there you go. I found it. Hot chocolate. You can have hot chocolate. There's hot chocolate there. Wait lang, wait for daddy. Picture mo na.
Smile.
Kaya
Kahit yung normal.
Let me see.
Kids and kids. Kids hot chocolate.
It's warm milk. I don't want hot chocolate. I don't want hot chocolate.
There's white, dark, and milk chocolate.
Wait, which one do you want?
Milk chocolate. What's in almond? With milk. Do you like it with marshmallow? Kuya?
Yes, of course I do.
And
No chocolate.
do you want chocolate?
Yeah, a chocolate top. Yeah. Yeah. This please? Extra chocolate.
Don't you? You don't like chocolate, really? Are you sure?
I want some milk. Daddy.
Ano sa'yo, Daddy? Hot chocolate? Hot chocolate ka? Oh, which one do you like? Churros.
I want churros. Oh, nice. Oh, you can have it.
Strawberry churros.
I want
Strawberry churro for two. Or just churro. Churro for two. Or you want crepe? Let's also try the crepe. Oh, ano, waffle pala sila dito. Yung crepe. Crepes. Gusto ko yung crepe.
I don't want the
Yung one, three, yung pinil daw siya chocolate. Oh, this looks yummy. I'll try it. Oh, because fruity crepe. There's lots of fruits.
I don't want
May strawberry.
We also have a waffle.
The cookies and cream crepe.
I want the waffle.
Serve.
Oh, I want that
Vanilla
one.
ice cream and hot milk and cream with Belgian chocolate.
I want
That
yeah. At least it has a strawberry.
is that all?
Yeah.
Dessert, really? Narakan ng ulit tayo dyan.
Na? Ano? Sorry. Sige, may naman ang harangan.
Hindi yung kamila.
Ha?
Yung kamila.
Eh?
Yung kamila.
Okay lang.
We're here in Cairns.
No, hindi ka kasi. Red link yan.
Yeah.
Where you at? All is done.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Hi guys, we're here. We're here.
Hello, Red. Hello, Red Oliver Brown.
Ano mami yung cargo? Ha?
Sa tabi na kami. The beach.
Ah, may ando si ano, si Christmas.
Wait.
Sina?
Chris Morris.
The veil.
Yung balak din yung pasina niya sa kanya. Si Mr. Morris ko yung taga-mayari ng W kaya yung pasina ng W na
Wait lang, baby. Maganda nga dito. Baby, safe. Matching kami ng jacket. Baby, show your jacket too. And show your new uniform.
What's that?
Crap.
Can I try climbing?
Go!
Wait lang. Ketchup.
Bukat?
Kuya. Hindi, ano si Kuya? Ano yung mukay? Ha? Mukay.
I want to put it in my hot chocolate though.
Oh, teka, hot chocolate ba pareho?
Hindi, ito mocha. Hacho.
Oh, can I just dip it in hot chocolate? Yeah.
Ayun sa'yo.
Kira sa ko?
chocolate. We get 3 marshmallows.
You got 3 marshmallows. Hey, Kuya, go!
Oh, sure.
Dali. Come on.
I'm gonna put the marshmallows.
This one? Yeah, your own. That one is yours. Thank you.
Show me, baby. What do you mean?
What do you mean? Another one is coming?
Yeah, for me.
For you again?
We need spoon. It's a spoon would be better, but I can also use a fork too.
Yan na. Wait na. Kuya.
Baby, Siki.
Yeah.
Picture mo siya dati.
Ito. Ibi, wait.
Let's try if this is really yummy. It's so good, Daddy. Parang yung ano, Swiss meat. Ano yun? Yung Swiss na hot chocolate dun sa ano, sa Esplanade dati. It's so good.
Mom's good. It's nice.
Yan, try hot chocolate dun. Mag-try ka kaya. Gusto mo order ng hot chocolate.
This place is very I wish I was there. This place is very cool. It's a utopia.
What did you say about it?
It's a utopia.
What is utopia? Lee. What is utopia?
Paradise. Or in more detail, an enjoyable place. point at you.
Don't you what, baby?
Don't follow her. Don't, ano nga? Don't. Trip it.
Yeah.
Trip
Yeah.
nito? Alright.
Kaya mo malayo.
Sarap.
Already here.
Kaya.
Worth it naman mo. Ang sarap kaya. Parang stateside yung lasa ng chocolate.
Can I try a tiny bit?
Go!
That stuff?
Give a bit.
I think I forgot.
Give a bit.
I need it.
With ice cream?
Sure, why not?
Sabi mo, give it. Can I have that?
I want to use it anyway.
Thursday. So good, right?
The waffles are good too, but I'm not going to finish it. Then I'm not nice waffle.
Ano pa parang meron pa isa?
Euros per two.
What this, Daddy?
You!
Yung panama yung aking break hot chocolate namin.
But better.
Walang panama yung hot chocolate yung aking
But better than
better than aking break. So, ang masarap na yung hot chocolate.
especially
chocolate
because of
niya.
the fact when you're eating something like that's not frozen.
It's yummy.
Can I have it? Yeah, sure.
Go!
Oh, I love sugar. It's extra sugar.
Extra sugar. Extra sugar. Tuwang-tuwa ka dito, baby.
Love sugar.
Picture ka, picture. I like sugar.
Look here, baby.
Show how long it is. Like as big as your face. Kung may dapat sa mukha mo, just on high on the side.
Bigger than my head.
Just burp.
Yeah, but bigger than my head.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Kasama yung alay kito sweetness.
You can dip it here, baby.
Chocolate!
Dark chocolate. Ito milk chocolate. Dark chocolate yan.
What?
This is dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate.
I love that.
You like dark chocolate?
Tama ba alligator's nest?
Ha?
Yung pagpapinta ba yun?
Ano yan?
Alligator's nest.
Yung pinunta natin nila mama. Kasama pa natin si mama.
Wala.
Yung nagwa pa nga ako ng bato.
Ah, okay.
Ay, hindi. Sa tali pala yung alligator's nest.
Ani?
I like I'm eating
Yung ano?
nothing.
Ang tawag dito, yung pinagsusumingan natin nila Betsy noon.
Kali ba yan?
Alligator's nest.
Kali ba yan?
Alligator's nest. What alligator's nest?
Ay, river ba yun?
I have crocodile.
This is probably alligator's nest.
I ate
So,
it.
tuhat.
I should have eaten it.
I like crab better. Ito, baby, may chocolate ka na lang kasi it's too strong for her savory.
I'm gonna grab the white. White.
What are you saying?
Sugar rush ka na. Daddy, kumain ka na.
Ayaw ko.
You want a sugar rush?
You are my shine.
They're closing it.
Ay, pasarado na pala sila.
Oh no!
Ay, nakaalok ka pa. Mag-4 na pala.
They will let us out. See? There's a bit more that's open. We're gonna close it, so we need to go now.
Not yet, baby. Where's the
They're still not gonna close it a bit more. Because there's still people inside here. That is yummy.
I know. I love it.
This is kind of the best yellow, but
That's the end. What do you think so?
he's the one that's Because I got to do whatever.
Picture ka na, di na ano, na may pagkain. Kuya, say cheese, kuya. Kuya. Say cheese. Yung hot chocolate. Ay, hot chocolate. Show yung hot chocolate. You like hot chocolate, baby? You want to try? Just in the spoon. Just try. Are you sure? Grabe na po siguro gusto ko rin pa. Maybe not. I'll just after your spoon. That's all. I think for this one. You want? Daddy, pick up mo daw siya early.
Ha?
Pick up mo daw siya early.
We get to go to office.
Hindi, pick up ko na lang sila ng lunchtime. Hintay mo na lang. So, gusto niyo na pick up siya early.
There's sugar on the table. This is like a
You're just so happy because you had all your sugar rush. Your sugar rush.
Masyado malaki yan. Ano ba in-order mo? Malaki? Yun na ba yung normal na size? Yan?
Hindi, large yan.
Ay, naman pala. Marami naman. Let's go. Hindi na tayo? Hindi na tayo. Kain ng hapunan.
Yan na.
Where's the box?
There with daddy. There's the bag. Ah, it's just a spider, kuya.
We saw spider.
Gagambang talon lang yan. Yes, leaf branch before the tree. Thank you. Yummy.
Mommy,
What can you say, baby?
happy birthday.
Happy birthday. What can you say about your dessert? Dessert.
Happy birthday, Tito.
What?
Happy birthday, Tito.
Suda. At ito po. Ano nga pala birthday dito po. Eh, mura ba yan? 2.8. Sana mo. Sugar rush ka na.
There's no such thing as one.
You are my sugar rush. Ano pang meron sa kabila? What, kuya? Ha?
I literally drank a whole cup of hot chocolate. Why wouldn't... There's no such thing as a...
Ah, okay.
Sugar is confused in very joyful environments.
Ah, ganun. Ano, nanalo ka na? Asaan?
Can we go there?
First, my dear.
Mommy, you want anything from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. No, I'm just joking. Daddy, papapalit ko pa pala sa Kern Central yung ano, yung screen protector ko kasi na ano, nag-crack na. Papalitan nila ng ano yung bago. Libre. Yung po, yung dulo nag-crack eh. Kasi naipit eh. Kami na lang bababa din kami. Ang aming sugar rush. Your name is Sugar Rush. Baby, don't run there, just people.